these guys are extremely rare. There are only 250 New Guinea singing dogs in captivity in the world. And they don't know if they still exist in the wild. So they haven't been seen since the late 50s.
They've been known to climb trees. They climb, they dig, they are escape artists. The DNA research is actually showing that they may predate the dingoes. They may actually be ancestors for the dingoes. So it's kind of exciting that we're getting to learn more about them, that they're studying them more now.